How to turn off two-step authentication on Google. Starting off, you need to tap open your Google application in your device. Once you are in here, in the top right corner, you will see a user icon. Tap on the icon. From all of this list, you need to tap on Manage your Google account. You'll be redirected to your account settings. In the account settings, scroll until you see the option of security and tap on it. Once you are in here, navigate to two-step verification. This would be under how you sign in to Google. Tap on it. Now, wait until it loads up. Verify that is you need to get your biometric login or you need to enter your device password. Once you do so, now this is very simple. Just click on Turn Off Two-Step Verification and tap on Turn Off. Now just like that, your two-step verification has been turned off. Now for some reason it does not ask for a biometric login, you will have to enter any of these such as Passkey, Google Prompt, Authenticator app. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.